Hey everyone, welcome to my coding blog. My name is Austin Jericho C. Pineda. I am a student at the Polytechnic University of the Philippines pursuing a Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. Today, I'm excited to walk you through a C++ project I've been working on a household member information system. So let me give you a quick tour of my code. This program is designed to collect and manage data about household in Gumac, Quezon. Let's start with the main components. First, we have ANSI escape codes are defined for text colors to enhance the console interface. Next one is the two structures are defined. Person holds individual data like name, age, sex, etc. The second structure is household info, contains household level information. Next is the function prototypes. Various function prototypes are declared for the program functionality. Next is the main function. The main function displays a welcome message, then enters a loop to show the main menu and handle user choice. The content of my void functions. First, we have a display menu function, present the main menu option to the user. Next is the void input data. This extensive function handles data input for both individual and household. It includes getting the current date, collecting the data for each household member, gathering household information, option to save or edit the entered data. Next is the line printing function, a simple function to print a formatted line for visual separation. Next is the age calculation function. Calculates a person's age based on their birthday and the current date. Next is the age categorization function. Categorize individuals into kids, teen, adult based on their age. Next is the data writing function, YT. Writes formatted person and household data to a file. Next is the edit data function. Allows user to modify previously entered data for individuals in household. Next is the data reading function. Read and displays data from the file. And the last one is void view data. Opens the data file and calls cdata to display its contents. The program starts with a welcome screen displaying a house art and the title Household Member Information System Gumaca Quezon. After pressing any key, the main menu appears with three options. Upon selecting option 1, the user is prompted to enter the current date. Then the user is asked to enter the number of house members. Example 2. Enter your full name, your family position, your birthday, your gender, are you a PWD member, civil status, citizenship, data for house member number 2. If you choose a non-Filipino, the more showing the enter your ACR number. Example, the date of expiry of the year of expiry of expiration date of your ACR card. Next is the household information. Enter your barangay within the Gumaka area. How much is your family monthly salary? Next is type of your house. And do you have a proper bathroom? Next is your enter source of water. Next next is the program as if the user want to save or edit the data. The system will ask you if you want to save the data or edit. So I will choose edit. Then it will show what would you like to edit. Example, if I choose number 1, again the system will ask you the new full name. Then if you want to finish editing, choose number 13. So as you can see, data recorded successfully. So as you can see, data recorded successfully. The program writes the information to a file named input.txt. Then the program calculates and saves the number of kids, teens, and adults in the household. A message appears confirming the data has been recorded successfully. Next is the user is asked if they want to enter another set of household member. If I choose N, the system will give a quotation. You will press the enter to go back in the menu. Next is if the user select option number 2 from the main menu, The program displayed the context of input.txt showing all recorded household information. If we select option number 3, a thank you message will appear on the screen. And that's all the thank you message has done showing. If we want to see if the file stream of my program works, let's go to the notepad. And here it is. The file stream of my program works. This is the output data of the program. It, it calculates the total kids, teens, adults in the family. Working on this project has been an awesome experience. It's really helped me apply what I've learned in my information technology course at PUP. From C++ basics to more advanced concepts like file I/O and data structure. It's all coming together in this project. Anyway, that's a quick look at my household member information system. I hope you found it interesting. If you have any question or suggestion, drop them in the comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more coding adventures. Thank you for watching and catch you in the next one. Peace out.